What up, Phantom Gas Sport Dash when the mirror lead is 412 going all the way to 413. I got the little engine that could. It's October the 12th, 2025. Sold for Sunday. I already numbered it. Wasn't no numbers. This is 10 and 11. That's 21. See the color purple, the pig. You see the train. You see new engine snorted. I pull you. I am a passenger engine. My train has sleeping cars and a dining car with waiters to serve hungry people. I pull the likes of you. Indeed not. And off he steamed. I ain't putting all that weight. 413. It's too much weight, nigga. It's the white ball. Step your game up. Peace.